Time, maybe. Hey, Nicholas! What's that thing down there? Oh, this episode is called Baseball, kids. That's a baseball? How do you play? Let me do first, because it looks like that bat's really heavy. Well, it is. I was just outside. Yeah, this is how you play. Oh, sorry, guys. This is how you play because we're not outside, so this is how you play. Watch me. Like my shirt? Bowser! Like it. So this is how you play. Grab the bat and home run! Boom! Home run! Boom! Oh, son! Nicholas, you can't carry it away with it. Okay, I will. Now I need to take that ball out, don't I? Yep. This is how you do it. Clover, you're the next big... Wait, I have an idea. Here, tonight. Oh. I'm okay. Let me try. Okay, honey. But make sure you do it. Hey! Daddy, you stay out of it. Okay. Excuse me. Hey, baby. Okay. Good job. Good job, Heavy. What's wrong with her?
Nothing's wrong with her. It's all the time.
The occasional drink doesn't bother me, but what? Are you okay? What's the matter?
Whoa, Nicholas, that was a nice shot. I know. I've been practicing. Clover, it's your turn. Okay, only if I do it. Nice job, Clover. That's as better. Oh, hole in one. Yeah. Take that. I hit shoes. Oh my God. Ah. Bye, kids. The next episode is called 3.2.